Hi everyone, this is Anthea from Asma Creative Studio. I am coming to you today to give you a tutorial on basically what to do when you download one of our menu templates. Our menu templates are sold on our website at asbacreativestudio.com and also on etsy.com with a profile ID as Asma Creative Studio. So basically when you get our files, you would see that there is a Microsoft Word file and a Google Docs file. So if you're in Google Docs, one of the questions that we've been getting a lot is how do I edit my file? Because basically I own the rights to these files. So what you do is very simple. So I'm going to show you that. So let's dive in. So first of all, when you get the file and you open it up, this is one of our templates here. You go to File, and then you go to Make a Copy. And you name the file whatever you want to name it. I'm just going to go ahead and name this as it was, but with demo, and hit OK. Now, once that's done, you can make your edits. So this is a really quick tutorial on how to start making your edits on our templates. So it's as simple as that. Go to File, again, File, make a copy, and name it as you wish, and start making edits. All right, thank you.